Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today I will show you how to create a Snapchat account. So, first, let's download Snapchat. Now, let's open it and tap on Sign Up. Tap Continue, Allow. Now, here, let's put on our name and tap Sign Up and Accept. So, here, put on your birthday and tap on Continue. So Snapchat is going to generate a username for you. But if you want to change your username, you can tap on Change My Username. Tap on Continue and create your password. Now in this screen, you can tap on Sign Up with Email. Input your email address and tap Continue. Now you can skip the following parts. You can set it up later on. Tap Allow. Now you are ready to use Snapchat. So tap on Turn On and tap on Allow. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.